Hi everybody, in this video we're talking about how to do back exercises when your back hurts. Specifically, we're going to do 10 back exercises that do not involve bending. Welcome to the Health How-To channel, where we talk about some great life hacks and easy tips to achieve better health. Please subscribe and share your best tips that you have found to be helpful for getting rid of your back pain so that we can all benefit in our personal journey to better health. If you've ever had severe low back pain, you know exactly how debilitating it can be. Every time you bend over or twist, you get excruciatingly sharp pain. No wonder you don't want to move. But your doctor, physio, and other health professionals are telling you that you have degenerative disc disease or a herniated disc and you need to exercise. What can you do? How do you exercise when your back hurts so much? Before we start, you may have been told in the past to brace or tighten your abdominals when you exercise, or perhaps you naturally do it because it does feel better. The problem is that most of us brace too much, leading to a cycle of overloading the muscles beyond the natural requirement that the movement needs. For example, we all know we're supposed to bend at the hips and knees to lift, but you may unknowingly become overly stiff and robotic, and your stress hormones start kicking in high gear because you're so scared you might hurt yourself. Instead of bracing your abdominals, you should exhale through your mouth on the hardest part of the movement. Exhale with the effort. When you hold your breath, you are increasing the pressure in your spine. That's why your back can hurt when you're straining from constipation. Check out our video on low back pain and constipation for more details. So, if your back hurts anytime you bend, don't let that stop you from moving. The next 10 back exercises do not involve any bending. Instead, they are focused on functional movements that we need to use every day. They will help strengthen your core, your back, your abs, as well as your glutes and lower body. Why do we need to strengthen when you have low back pain? Because you can't reverse conditions like disc degeneration, also thought of as arthritis, disc tears, and stenosis. But what you do have control over is how much muscle you can build. The more muscle you have, the better protected your spine is. The more pressure gets offloaded from the spine. More muscle, more strength, and more power means feeling less fragile. More muscle means being able to get up from a chair without worrying if you'll throw your back out. We can think of building core muscle strength like building ourselves an internal back brace. Ideally, get yourself in front of a full-length mirror or a reflective surface so that you can see your body alignment when you do your back exercises. First, start your back exercise routine by gently warming up your muscles and increasing your blood circulation. Warmer muscles are more flexible and can be less prone to injury. Walk on the spot gently but briskly for 1 minute. Stack your ears over your shoulders and over your hips to minimize any pulling of your back muscles. Ready? Number 1, step up, down, and sideways. Get a thick hardcover book or low step stool and step up and down 30 times. Then step up sideways. Keep your shoulders stacked over your hips. Keep that back straight. Number 2, lunge. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Bring your right leg forward while keeping your back straight. Lower your body down as far as you can comfortably go. Exhale as you lower yourself down. If you also have knee or hip pain, you can try reverse lunges instead. In a reverse lunge, you bring your right foot behind you and then drop your body down. Repeat 10 to 30 times. Keep your back straight and pelvis level. Sumo squat. Open up your hips and knees into a wide stance. Point your knees and feet outwards. Keeping your back straight, start to squat down. Exhale on your way down and only go as far as you feel comfortable. Squeeze your glutes on the way up. Repeat 10 to 30 times. As this gets easier for you, try to squat down to chair height to really make this exercise functional. Number 4, wall slide. Push your head, mid-back, and lower back against the wall. Keep your feet further forwards from the wall. While pushing your entire back against the wall, slide down as far as you can comfortably. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you push yourself up the wall. Use your glutes to push yourself up. Repeat 10 to 30 times. Again, as this gets easier with daily practice, aim to get down to chair level. Don't let your head or back lift off the wall when you slide back up. Sometimes sliding against a glossy painted door is a bit easier. Number 5, plank. The dreaded plank. Planks work your neck, back, glutes, abs, and legs. Unlike traditional ab crunches, which put enormous amounts of pressure on your discs, planks will lessen your chance of injury because your back is straight. Aim to keep your hips down but not droopy. This is where a mirror or reflective surface comes in handy. Hold for 10 deep breaths. Start by having your elbows under your shoulders and resting on your forearms. If you want more of a challenge, straighten out your elbows without locking them. Make sure your head is also straight and you're neither looking up nor is your neck fully flexed down. If you're having a tough time, start with wall planks, then move on to desk planks, then finally coffee table planks. Number 6, push-ups. Bend your knees and keep that straight back. Keep your hands shoulder width apart. Slowly yourself to as far as you feel comfortable, keeping that back nice and straight. Exhale while you lower yourself to the ground. Repeat 10 to 30 times. As you get better with practice, you can try to straighten out your knees. Number 7, side planks. Work your obliques and core with side planks. Start on your side, knees bent. Hold that position for 10 deep breaths while keeping your back straight. As you get better with practice, do the side plank with both legs straight. Number 8, bird dog. Start by getting yourself into a table position with your back as straight as a level table surface. Slowly lift the right arm and left leg while keeping a perfectly level tabletop. Exhale as you do this, then switch to the left arm and right leg. This exercise is especially tough for people who have a twisted pelvis or weak hip muscles. Hold the pose for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 30 times. If this is too hard, you can try just the arms or just the legs until it gets easier with practice. Number 9, bridge. Press your head and upper back against the floor. Dig in your heels and lift up your trunk just to the point where your back is straight. Exhale as you come up, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly lower your trunk to the ground. Remember to keep the head and heels pressed against the floor during the whole movement. Repeat 10 to 30 times. And finally, number 10, dead bug. This exercise might become one of your favorite go-to exercises for back strength. It's like the bird dog, but done on your back. So get yourself into an upside down table position, then slowly lower your right arm and left leg. The lower and more controlled, the better. Exhale as you do this and really reach back without arching your back. Hold the pose for 3 to 5 seconds. Focus on pressing your back to the floor. Repeat 10 to 30 times. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any health how-to videos where we talk about easy ways to improve your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.